Welcome back to Worldwide Boat. I'm Michelle Hall, charter broker, and today we're in Fort Lauderdale, Florida on board the 153-foot Ballista. Come check out what she's all about as we go through the boat, show you my favorite features and the awesome crew of 9. Come on, let's see. Here we are in the main salon. As you'll see, they have a nice, relaxing, huge couch for all your guests. Comfy place to hang out. You can easily fit 12 people on this couch, if not more. Oh, look, here's my broker partner, Sana.
Hey, Michelle.
How's it going?
I kind of want to try one of these things.
Yeah, they all look so delicious.
Well, this is a strawberry roasted red pepper coulis.
Oh, sounds interesting.
Let's give it a try.
Yeah.
I hope I like it.
Bon appetit.
Oh, it's like a gazpacho.
Nice.
Yummy. It's pretty good.
Hey, Sana, you want to go on the tour of the boat with me?
Let's do it.
Let's go.
So I had lunch on board earlier.
Yeah.
And the captain was saying they actually just got out of a 4-month shipyard period. You can kind of tell. She looks good.
She looks great.
Yeah, this is their first time over the pond. The last 2 years they've been in the Mediterranean, and now they're going to be Florida, Bahamas based.
Nice. Here we are in the master.
What do they have on that side? A tub or a stand-up shower?
Yeah, they had a bathtub.
Oh,
This
cool.
side.
So that's probably the hers, because
Yeah.
the his has a stand-up.
Yeah, I love
Nice.
these little extra wardrobe spaces as well
Very cute.
to add on to the addition of the walk-in closet.
Yeah, especially the hanging space. We women need that.
Indeed. Full beam VIP.
Hey, Michelle.
Hi.
This is cool.
I love it.
Yeah, so it seems like you can actually close it off and have like
Two
separate staterooms, which is nice.
This is also great for
if you've
family
got kids like us,
Mhm.
this would be perfect.
Yeah. Great thing about this is it does have 2 bathrooms as well. So this is pretty much like a second master. It's just about as big. You have both bathrooms. The only thing that's different is a bathtub. I love it.
I've got 2 mirrored twins here. What do you have there?
Yeah, we have 2 mirrored queens.
Awesome. This works well. Perfect family boat.
Yes, a queen size stateroom. Again, lots of light. Nice big bathroom too.
Here we are in the twin stateroom. I really like the fact that the beds are wide and comfortable enough for an adult, not just children. It also seems like there's Pullmans in this stateroom. The flexibility on this boat is nice because you never know what kids choose. They either all 3 want to bunk in a stateroom or they're sleeping with the parents in that VIP that could be divided into 2. Oh, love a good vanity, especially on a boat because you want to do your makeup and get ready for the evening and there's nowhere to go. Perfect little place. I love it. You know what I really like down there?
What's that?
They had a vanity in the queen guest stateroom.
Oh, nice. That's a nice feature.
That's a nice
Yeah, you
feature.
don't see that
Normally,
too
as the
often.
guest, you don't get a vanity. It's typically in the master or the VIP.
I can see a lot of teenage girls liking that vanity.
Right? I know my daughter would.
Love it.
Even here, it all just seems so bright and like
Normally
open.
it's so dark and everything.
Yeah.
This light really makes a big difference.
And it's the heart of the boat. You know, you see the TV pops
Wow.
out of here.
I think I just found my favorite feature.
Yeah. What? Are these matching balconies as well?
This is awesome.
Yeah, you don't see many balconies off the bridge deck.
Yeah, and I think I like this bridge deck area because normally the balconies are like on the main
One
deck,
below.
but
Yeah.
this is where you're hanging out in the evening.
Yeah. No, this is great.
I like this. This is great.
And then if you have too many people on one side, you can just pop over.
Yeah,
Parties on the other side as
I
well.
love it. I could see like the family having movie nights at the end of the evening and then the parents disappearing because they don't want to watch the movie again.
Oh, this is.
I
And
love
what,
it.
you know what I love about this too? If you have both doors open, it just brings such a nice breeze.
Yeah, you feel, and imagine when you're in the ocean. Like that
Yeah.
cross ventilation is awesome. Makes you almost feel like you've got that indoor outdoor feel.
Definitely. Another nice big large table.
So this is where we had lunch today, and it was lovely because there was a lot of wind and it was comfortable. There was no sun in your face.
Easily seat
Of course,
12
the
as
girls
well.
did a beautiful job with their table setting. You want to go check out the sun deck?
Let's do it.
Hi guys, I'm Morgan and I'm the experience curator here with Worldwide Boat. I am here to assist you guys with all things pre and post charter from the second you hop on your private jet and enter into your luxurious destination until the time that you return home.
Time.
Wow, this is quite a sun deck for a 153.
Nice.
Look at this sun
Huge
pad.
bunny pad right here.
Huge.
Yes, this is amazing.
And I love the shade.
And the ability to either have the sun or the shade.
Yeah. Oh, I
great.
really like this. What do you think about her?
I thought she was great. Beautiful boat, lots of space. I really love the stateroom layout. You know, you have 7 staterooms.
Yeah, that's
And
great.
you can kind of pick and choose your layout. So it's, you know, whatever way people want to go, there's just so much space to spread out.
Yeah, no, and you always get that family that's like, you know, the 3 kids want to sleep in one room, or hey, I've got, you know, a newborn child that needs to be close. Like that flexibility is
Yeah,
amazing.
definitely.
Yeah, I think she's great value for the money, to be honest. Like for 153, like look at this sun deck.
Yeah, she
You know,
has
it's-
a ton of space. Yeah,
yeah.
I definitely felt like I was on a bigger yacht.
Same. I would definitely. I almost felt like I was on a 165 or so. Like it
100%.
just felt like. I think it's also the natural light. Just made it feel bigger and airier.
Yeah,
and
lots of windows.
lots
and
of windows
Of course,
and-
the balconies off the bridge
Clutch.
deck. That
amazing.
sold right there.
Yeah, no, absolutely. But I'll tell you, you know, it always comes down to crew. And
How was crew? You had lunch on board.
they were amazing. The service was on point.
Yeah.
The captain and the chief stew are a team. And they are, you know, very, very calm, very, very knowledgeable. They've actually spent the last 2 seasons in the Med.
Okay.
But the owner lives here locally in Florida, so he's actually going to keep it Florida, Bahamas based now. Captain knew the Exumas very well, excited to be on this side of the pond. And everybody we spoke to, and the chef came out, he put out a beautiful lunch, and we got to talk to him as well. And really nice personality. Normally the chefs kind of hide behind the galley, but
I love when they come out
yeah.
and talk. That's so
yeah,
nice.
he was
Actually
lovely.
explain their food and kind of the reasoning behind what they do.
Yeah, and he's a French from a French descent, but he was telling us how he does enjoys cooking different cuisines. So that was nice too.
Love it.
Yeah.
Well, excellent boat to charter.
Well, you know what's the cherry on the top? A really charter motivated owner. I was talking to the charter manager, and they were saying how the owner's very motivated, bring in the offers, and they're actually running a special right now too.
Oh, love it. Nice,
So-
special, motivated owners. It doesn't get much better than that.
Yeah, let's keep it in mind. I'm sure we've got someone for her.
153 Ballista.
If 153 Ballista caught your attention, feel free to contact Worldwide Boat at www.worldwideboat.com or give us a call. We'll be glad to assist you and get you out on the water for a fun vacation.